We'll guide you through how to install Paint.net on a Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Paint.net website to ensure you're downloading the latest version. Since Paint.net is primarily designed for Windows, you'll need to use a compatibility layer to run it on macOS. One popular option is Wine, which allows you to run Windows applications on a Mac. You can download Wine from their official website. Once downloaded, go ahead and install it by following the on-screen instructions. After installing Wine, return to the Paint.net website and download the Paint.net installer. Once the download is complete, open the Wine application on your Mac. From the Wine menu, select the option to run a program. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the Paint.net installer you just downloaded. Wine will launch the installer as if you were installing it on a Windows machine. Follow the installation prompts, accepting the terms and choosing your installation preferences. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Paint.net through Wine. To make it easier in the future, you might want to create a shortcut on your desktop or in your Applications folder. And there you have it, Paint.net running smoothly on your Mac thanks to Wine. This method is a great solution for Mac users who need to use Windows-only applications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.